Hey, my friends, it's Coach Vigue, Vogue, but with an I. And would you believe it? I am moving back to Florida in 2 days. Whoa. Yep, heading back to Florida. Be spending some time in Florida and also the Midwest, Wisconsin and Montana. But for now, saying goodbye to Colorado, which I'm telling you, the last few days, it's hit me really hard, the reality of it. I've been here since September of 2014. So about 6.5 years, and loved every second of it. I'm going to miss the trails, the mountains, the streams, the elk, the changing seasons, the falls, the dry weather, the no insects, the elk again. Fortunately, I've been out so many times to film, so many places, open spaces, woods, places where people would not dare to go. I've had the pleasure of going out there by myself or with Addie. I've run into several bears, elk, people, hermits, you name it, I've run into it filming. But I tell you, filming for me is amazing because it gives me an opportunity, an excuse really, to go out and find these places where nobody else usually can find. I love that. As long as there's a flat spot and blue skies and sun and a beautiful backdrop, I'm there. I'm excited to get back to Florida. Of course, right now in the summer, it's hot. It's going to be very hot. By the time you see this video, I'll be en route to Florida from Colorado. But, shaking things up a bit. I wouldn't rule out coming back here. I love this area. And as always, it's the people. It's the people that I'll miss the most. More than the mountains, more than the trees. It's the people I've met here at Nick's Pro Fitness in my classes, at my church, at my son's daycare/school. That's been the hardest part. That was the reality check. I taught my last class here yesterday at Nick's Pro Fitness, and full class, saw some people I hadn't seen in a while, and it's wonderful, but oh man, it's tough. It can be overwhelming. You realize how fortunate you are. I always know it, but to really know it. They even gave me a cake that nobody ate, so I took it home and ate some and gave some to my son. Giving Coach Vigue cake. How about that? But it's the people. It's always the people. I have beautiful people down in Florida, friends and such. So I'll be back sometime. We'll see. I have, the weather here has been so awful. Not awful. I love the snow, but it's been a lot of snow lately. So as far as going out and filming, it's been very difficult. When we set a date to leave here, I'm like, oh, goody. I have about 6 weeks. 6 weeks. I'm going to get out and film every day. Addie and I are going to go out, do all these series and challenges and long workouts. And the reality was I was lucky to get out 1 day a week because it will snow sometimes in the feets, F-E-E-T-S, feets, and it'll get warm the next day, so the trails and everything are absolute mush, mud, disaster. So that was the most frustrating part of this, not being able to get out and film. I did sneak out a few times, and I'm fortunate I have those videos. You'll be seeing those, and one way or the other, somewhere, someplace. And I got a lot of short videos, but I'm doing better today. The last few days, I was very, very sad. I texted my friend, Stefan, about that. I said, I'm severely sad about leaving. It hits you. And it's a blessing that it hits you because it means that there's something really special here. There's a lot of really special things here. And for that, I love Evergreen, Colorado, and the surrounding areas. All right, my friends, it's Coach Vigue. Thanks for listening. Appreciate your support. You'll be seeing more videos, of course, from Colorado because I film about every day. I have a filming fetish. It's very therapeutic for me. Keep those ideas and requests coming down below. And you'll be seeing some Florida backdrops. And dare I say, you're going to see some Illinois backdrops and Wisconsin backdrops. If I had a green screen, I could say you're going to see some backdrops from Venus or Mercury. But we all know that would be a lie. It would be Saturn.